Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Restoration. Today we've got the Matchbox number 10 Leyland pipe truck. Before we get started though, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I see a lot of watchers out there. Might as well hit that subscribe button while you're at it. This one was kind of a play worn. About 60% of the paint was missing. So get started by taking off the wheels and axles. My little jeweler burr. I went ahead and replaced the axles on this vehicle because the other ones, although in good condition, were a little short. The windshield had a crack running diagonal across the front of it, but I'm not able to replace it, so I just cleaned it up and gave it a dip of pledge, and it turned out okay. Hardly noticeable. We're getting her tapped out for the 256 screws. Which I'm putting in here. Into our favorite stripper. Fifi's looking a little thick here. We may have to replace her. Getting some primer on it. I do like that Krylon. Bigger can, better primer, $6. Our red first coat on here. Getting our plastic parts all in the pool for a little bath. Wheels included. Little hot soapy water. Like I said, this windscreen was dirty, had that crack in it, but all it really took to look nice again was a little dip in the pledge after I cleaned it. After they dried, I took the wheels, gave them a little tire wash, and then dipped them in the pledge. Which in this instance really brightened them up. Here's our windscreen going in the pledge. As I said earlier, I really don't have the money to buy all the replacement parts, so I converted this one from a pipe truck into a log truck. Here's my drill press gizmo. Sorry for the big ugly hand there. Crimping the wheels and the axle keeps the wheels on my new axle, if I can say. Here's what we started with, a number 10 Matchbox Leyland pipe truck. Rather play worn, missing 50%, 60% of the paint. Here's what we ended up with. The Leyland number 10 log truck by Matchbox. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. For now, this is Opaw, hauling logs, saying goodbye.